Hey guys, so it is July 13th, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice again. As you'll notice, I'm sitting outside on the deck because it's an absolutely beautiful day out, and once again, I'm wearing one of my beautiful dresses. Now, I just had a meeting with one of my workers, and she made me weigh myself because she said, I'm very concerned about your weight. And apparently I've dropped down to 98.8 pounds. I was 99.6 and then I went up to 104 and now I'm back down to 98.8. So they're very concerned about my weight and they said if I don't put weight on that I'm going to end up in the hospital. And I said no, there's absolutely no way I'm ending up in the hospital. I'm trying though, I really am. I really am trying to eat more. It's not that I don't want to eat, I'm not anorexic or anything like that. It's just with my anhedonia, I can barely taste food. So it's just not appealing to me. So that's why I haven't really been eating as much. But I really am trying to eat 3 times a day and get that weight back on because they're very concerned about it. And I know that's going to have some bearing on CPS as well, which unfortunately are still involved in my life. Anyway, the Amare Happy Juice is amazing. Makes me feel full of motivation, full of energy, full of determination, and it makes me feel wide awake. When I don't drink it, I am just so tired all the time, it's not even funny. This stuff actually gave me the motivation to create this beautiful mosaic that I'm currently working on. And it's a project that I'm super excited to reveal once it's done. And I'm going to be making more of them, but I'm going to make them as originals. So any that I have done, I'm never going to make one identical to that one. So hopefully, with that being the case, I'll make a bit more money off of them because I'm going to make them a Cayla wood original. And each mosaic that I do make is going to be completely different than the last. Say for instance, somebody wants one particular character, I'll make that character, and then if somebody else wants that character, I'll find a completely different picture and then make that character. Because I don't want any of my mosaics to be identical to another. This stuff here is for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut, and it really does help. It really does help. It gives me, like I said, motivation, energy, determination, willpower, whatever you want to call it. It just makes my life better and it makes me more creative. But I am a bit concerned about my weight now too, knowing that I am, I've dropped back down to 98.8 pounds. I think the smallest I've ever been in my life was about 90 to 95 pounds. And that was when I was very unhealthy and I was in the hospital at that point in time. And when I finally got a look at myself in the mirror, I was like, oh my God. If I had lost another pound, I probably would have been dead. But I'm not that tiny right now, and I am doing my best to put the weight back on. Today, I've started my day off with my Amare juice, and I'm currently in the process of eating a everything bagel with peanut butter. So that's giving me some protein, which is really good for you.